What's a costly mistake that you can make in a trust administration that could cost you tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars? It's hiring an attorney who only handles trust administration. They do not handle anything when things get contested, or they can't handle the complexity of the trust administration. If you have a singular beneficiary and all there is maybe one house and a small amount in a bank account, maybe 20,000, that's a very simple trust administration. What becomes more difficult is when there is numerous beneficiaries, when the beneficiaries are all strong individuals with their own independent opinions. If you have a broad stock portfolio or a lot in stocks, or you have a business, you want an attorney that can handle all of those more complex things. Or if you have more than one real estate holding, more than one real estate property, maybe you have a series of investments, or maybe you're managing a trust with more than one property that has investments in rentals and just various things, you want an attorney who can handle the trust administration. Make sure that you're getting valuations. Make sure the valuations are accurate. Make sure that you are getting advice how to best run the business, how to manage the properties, how to go from however the settler was holding their stocks to what is required by law. Additionally, you want an attorney that can handle things if there is any disagreement. Otherwise, you end up having one attorney for the trust administration, and when they say they can't handle it because it's too complex or there's litigation, you have to now hire a second attorney, and you have to pay that attorney to get up to speed. That can be costly. Rather than have a law office who can represent you as trustee, who can take everything from the estate plan to the trust administration, handle the more complex assets that could be in a trust administration, and if things go sideways or one of the beneficiaries files something, that can handle that litigation or that petition or whatever it is, defend that as well. And keep that all in-house. That way the attorneys can talk to each other effortlessly. The attorney who is handling the trust administration within that office and the attorney that handle the litigation, if they are separate, can all keep abreast. It's a matter of just walking down the hall and talking about your case rather than coordinating multiple meetings and one hand doesn't know what it's doing. That alone can save you tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands.